Hello from Elliott Waves Trading. This is a follow-up update on Elliott wave counts of NASDAQ, which we covered last week during the weekend. So yesterday we saw some action which is relevant to our analysis. So I have the weekly chart open. So during the weekend, I said that we are waiting for a weekly close in red. So which would happen only at the end of the week, but now we are seeing signs. So we have a red candle, weekly candle. It's not complete yet, but the reason why it's still important is if we go to hourly chart, here in the hourly chart we can cleanly count 5 waves down. So that essentially means it's very likely the down move has already started, and this is just the minor leg uh, of that move. So essentially, um, I expect this move to play out something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once this move is over, that would be your leg A. And just like if I go back here, you can see, right? We had A, B, and then C here. So this would be likely A. It could be W as well. We don't know at this stage, but it would be something like this likely. And then there would be a retracement of sort, something like this. And then we will have the final move down. It doesn't have to be final, kind of. It could actually continue for a long time. So, and we don't know how long it might continue. So something like this. So right now what we have in place is the first sign, early signs that the down move is starting. Um, and we also got a positive hourly candle during the close, which means this 5 wave move is now over. And then we can expect some kind of retracement here, pullback, after which would essentially be 1, 2, and then there will be 3 down continuation. So now how far we can expect if we take a Fibonacci retracement. So 61.8% is at 20,337. So I would say this should be the maximum. And we have this trend line, the wedge trend line, which we have come inside now. So this will also act as a resistance. So this is something somewhere in between of 50% and 30.2%. And I guess if we enable, yeah, so here the 20-hour moving average is above 50%. So I think this combination of this trend line, this moving average, and this 61.8%, so this gray zone is essentially where we should end this minor wave 2, and from there we should continue downwards. So today, which is 16th October, we might see a pullback, and then we should continue the move downwards. So going back to daily chart, let me remove this. Yeah, so here we have a red candle in daily and a 5 wave move down in hourly. So which is kind of a good confirmation along with close within the wedge. So I would expect now this move should continue down. We have support, 20-day moving average support. Uh, so there is a chance we might actually touch this first and then only start retracing. But either way, we should see a retracement pretty soon, today, tomorrow, and then we should continue going down towards the lower neckline first, not neckline, lower channel line first, and then once that is broken, then we should continue. And as I mentioned in the original update, that this is the minimum we should expect the downside wise, which is at 617,200. Now it was earlier at I think slightly below because we were using previous week's candle, and now that we have got a negative close, so we can use this as a top. But looking at the big picture, if we go to weekly once again, so right now we are basically just taking this retracement as equality of this W, and we are saying that this Y should be equal to W. This could actually be 1.6 times, 2 times of this, but there is another possibility which is very likely, and that possibility is that we might actually do a retracement of this complete move from here. So, and if we do that, this retracement won't be enough, and we might actually do a retracement below 50%. I would say 61.8% will also be open, which is 14,369. 50% is 15,578. But it's early days for this move because this move is probably just starting. So let's see how this evolves. And if it moves as expected, then I would say that 38.2% of this entire is definitely on cards, 16,787. So that's all for this update. See you in the next update. Thank you.